What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, just another small YouTuber. I'm here again with another video, and this video is about sound effects. Now, y'all see my stop motions. Y'all know how I tend to use different sound effects from different movies every now and then, right? Well, today here's something for y'all. I got two different chase scenes. They both use the same car engine sound effect and the same skid sounds and everything. They're both Dirty Harry movies, Magnum Force and The Enforcer. I got 3 tracks here, and they're all for looping these sound effects together in a semi-smooth way. And here's my results from said looping. I reversed that part. That's how it sounds not reversed.